Hello, welcome to Frugal Coders channel. In today's video, we are going to install a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD on this Thinkpad T14s. So let's turn it to the back. Unscrew those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unscrew those 5 screws. It's nice those screws are holding place, even if you flip them over, so they're still in place. They won't just get lost if you misplace them. Disconnect the battery. Then unscrew the old NVMe SSD. They have this little piece of metal to hold the existing NVMe SSD. I think it's okay if you want to put a 2242 NVMe SSD in this slot as well. So this is the old NVMe SSD. Let's set it apart. Here's the new one. Actually, here's the new one. This is the new NVMe SSD, and this is the, I think this is the heat dissipation pad. All right, so I put the heat pad of the new NVMe SSD on it, and now we are ready to put it on the laptop. I think we need to take this existing heat pad, so we don't need it anymore, and put the new one in. And put the screw back. And that's it. Let's put the back plate back. Oh, let's put the battery connector back first. All right. The back plate back. So after I finish replacing the internal NVMe SSD from 128 gig to the 1 terabyte one, I was looking at the 128 gig one, and I realized, this is a shorter version. And this machine has a open slot as well. It's currently reserved for the WWAN card in case you want to buy one, but if you don't, that slot is basically open for you. So I was wondering, can I put this piece onto that slot and make this a secondary hard drive? If it's doable and it's working, it basically didn't waste this 128 gig SSD, and it's a pretty cool idea. So let's check it out. So first, let's remove the backplate. And this is the spot we're going to install it. Let's move this piece away. So move all the antenna away as well. Well, unfortunately, I think it doesn't fit. So the thing is, if you check the design, this is a slot we're going to fit it in. And it's pretty close to the PCB, you see. It's on the PCB, and there's not much room between the slot itself and the PCB. However, if you want to insert this guy in, it must be going in this direction, which means, this thickness, the camera didn't focus, this thickness, the thickness needs to be absorbed, but because it's there, it will never fit that slot. So unfortunately, you cannot fit it here by the original 2242 NVMe SSD. You have to buy a new one. And if you do want to buy a new one, be careful about the opening here, because the slot, the slot is pretty close to the PCB. So you have to check it out for the new SSD you are buying, make it will fit the slot here. So that's it.